the chef, Mr. West, and welcome back to the cooking channel.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another video. So I'm getting ready now to show you how I cook my chicken and store it. This one is the oven stuffer roaster. That's the chicken we buy. Very big here, just two of us. So we cut it up and just bag it. So when you're ready, we just take out the desired amount and cook it for the both of us. There it is. Just take out the liver there. So this is how we do it. Take out the timer thing. This one is a big one, weight close to 8 pounds. Look at that. There we have this, this is going to go into the Ziploc bag by itself. Then we take the skin off. Then we separate this piece of breast right here. We use this most of the time for sometimes we bake that. Then this is the other side here. Now we're going to do it same way. Here we have that. Take out that skin. We do this the same way we did the other one. Just take off the and so we have two of these breasts here. Here it is. Look at that. I'm gonna bag those separate, and each of this one, the 4 pieces here now, we're gonna bag them separately. We have two breasts and 2 leg and thigh, and that is how we do that. So I'm just gonna show you. Let me get the bag. So this one here, we just put it right in the Ziploc bag there. This is going in the freezer. That. We'll put this one there too. Here is that. Coming along nicely. Look at that. Then we just can drop the liver and the gizzard in one of that. There's different ways we cook it. Sometimes we curry it, sometimes we brown stew. But this is the chicken of choice, oven stuffer roasted. This is it. And so just stay tuned and we'll continue to let you see the progress as we go along. Just my viewers and subscribers, so the chicken is we finished cut up and it's bagged up. Look at that. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer now. This one piece here might leave it out for tomorrow, or might cook this tomorrow. We try not to do too much, you know. We do the chicken just for two of us. If we have company over, we'll no problem cooking the whole chicken, but it's just two of us. So this is good. Maybe about 1.5 pounds or so. This is enough chicken for two. My wife just wants the leg, and the thigh is for me, and that's it. So remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. God bless you, and we'll catch you in our next video. This is just a video showing you how we do our chicken, how we cut it up and store it. Make sure you use the proper Ziploc bag. This one is Ziploc. These are real freezer bags, so your meat won't get any freezer burn. You got to make sure that you use the proper stuff. When you're ready to cook it, you just take it out, put it in the refrigerator, and then let it thaw out, or leave it, you know, on the counter in a bowl. Let it thaw out, and then we wash it, cut it to the size we want it, lemon or vinegar, and then season it, and that's it. So that's it. Look at that. 8 pounds of chicken, all cut up. God bless you. Catch you in our next video. Bye.
It's over there. Oh, because it's going to live on the show the song on top of the house. Over there. Exactly. Even though it's over, you have this little street over here. You know, go on something. Yeah. Oh my God. Sometimes look at this football from the bigger one. You like some of that stuff? No, I showed her my favorite one, but it's not on. She gonna become a kid. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit, yeah.